You ready?
Let's go.
They're gonna meet us here soon, but we'll take a sneak peek first on our own.
Do you have the lockbox code?
I do. Right.
I feel like we're breaking in.
I know, right? This is super charming. Whoa. This is my favorite one. Like, look at the architecture in here.
Oh, I love
This is so
house.
cool.
The staircase.
Beautiful. Even though it's not in great condition, it's got all of this character. This place is begging
Big
for a
too.
redo.
I know. And then this is what, the dining room?
Yeah, this sort of reminds me of Poppy's witch costume.
I love that those just come off like that. You're like 3 years old.
I know, it's irresistible.
Hi. Good morning.
How are you guys?
Nice to meet you. I'm Chris.
How are you, Chris?
Hello.
Hi.
This is my mom, Anya.
Hi, Anya. I'm Nate.
What a great house.
It's beautiful. You can tell it's a well-built, historic home.
What is it about it that made you guys fall in love with it right away?
When I walked in, it just felt like I could see myself living here with my mom.
Yeah.
And it just felt so homey, because my mom never owned a house. Like, she moved here in the 70s from
Okay.
Thailand. When she kind of worked her way up, she got her GED, and then she finally got a job in the United States Post Office.
Do you still work there?
No, I just retired.
You retired
you.
from them.
Get out.
Amazing.
Yeah.
But all her money she invested for her family to come over one at a time.
Wow.
So like-
everybody, you brought everybody.
I brought my mom, my dad.
Okay.
And then later on, my brother and sister.
Wow.
My mom's more or less been sponsoring them in her apartment the whole time.
Taking care of everybody else.
Bravo, Mom.
Way to go, Mom.
I mean, wow.
guys
Yeah,
wanna
let's
check it
talk
out?
about this
The kitchen,
moment
it
here.
looks a little tight after you.
Yes.
This is really worn out.
Well, everything is.
Everything
Right?
is.
This
I
is
think-
ugly.
I think
we
even-
just say it's all
Ugly,
ugly,
yeah.
it's all ugly.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
ugly, yeah.
Yeah.
It was a moment in time.
Yeah.
Yes.
The wallpaper is definitely an interesting choice. It's vinyl.
Yes.
So what about those structurally? Like, do you like having a separate kitchen, or would you prefer to be able to see what's going on?
Opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Okay.
an island.
Yeah, an
Yeah.
island, so that
Yeah,
you
an
could
island.
see this
The
whole other
dining room,
space.
yeah,
Okay, so big dining room, knock this wall down,
Yeah.
goodbye.
Make it open.
Open this up.
Yeah. Like,
Okay.
I see it all the time in TV, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It seems so easy.
Wow.
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 Look, there's a picture of us right away.
Yeah.
And look at this.
Ah, look at it.
Wow. Your fireplace, your living room.
Fireplace, my fireplace.
Yeah.
There's a lot to take
There's
in.
so much
There
to take
is.
in.
Yeah.
So this is now, you know, the central, beautiful, open living room.
But look how much bigger it feels now.
It really does feel much bigger and more homey.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look at the, how do you call this?
Chandelier.
Chandelier.
Yeah, chandelier. It's different, so many shades. Wow, I love it.
And we've given you a formal living room space with lots of seating options.
So far,
Sofa
which
looks so comfy.
he like it.
Yeah.
We've never really had a sofa before.
Yeah.
I know, you
Real
all were in the
sofa.
dining
So
room.
now we actually have somewhere we could relax.
Yes.
And you could sit here and watch TV.
Yes. Wow.
So everything opens up and it's all mounted.
Look at that.
You got
So it
some
folds back
storage
here.
here. That
Yeah.
folds back as well.
That's amazing.
So it's all, and then when you don't want to look at it, close it
Yes.
up.
Wow.
Look, you have
Oh,
your island.
yeah, my island. Wow. So roomy. Look at this. Wow.
Because before, remember, this kitchen was just in this space
was so
alone.
narrow.
It was so
Right.
compartmentalized,
And dark,
dark.
Dark, yes.
And now,
Now
it's,
all bright.
yeah.
Wow.
Does it feel fancy?
It is fancy. Look bigger. Look a lot bigger.
How pretty this neighborhood is.
Yeah, I know, it's great.
They said to just knock and come on in. Go ahead.
Just go in.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello.
Wow. How pretty is this?
I'm not sure how much they need us.
We had vision of doing grander renovations, but then we were dealt a curveball with my health issue. And so we did a bunch of the projects that were kind of easy to do. So like Jamie had this vision of painting most of the house white, and it looks terrific.
Living room's gorgeous. She's got flowers. Everything's coordinated, but there's more than meets the eye. Which way do we go?
I want to see this area.
How? Okay. It is a chopped up mess.
I don't even understand this layout.
Look at the arc. Oh, and here's the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen.
I actually don't understand where I am.
The house is chopped up into 3 sections by 2 huge dividing walls. There's a living room off the entrance and then a small boxed-in kitchen and dining room, and the family room is completely tucked off to the side. I mean, none of these spaces are connected.
It's one of the worst floor plans I've ever seen.
Hi.
I can't believe you made
Jeremiah.
it.
Nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice to meet you guys.
Welcome to our home.
You moved in here. You wanted to give the kids more space.
Right.
One was a newborn, right, at the time. So
Right.
you have a newborn baby, and then you got sick.
Yeah, we had big plans when we first moved in,
Yeah.
and then we had to deal with that cancer diagnosis and go through the treatment process. And you know, it was a thing, and a moment in time we got through it. But
Yeah.
yeah, it was a bit of a bumpy landing when we first got here. So we got through that, and then start over.
So you're on the other side of it.
Yeah, we're
That's
on the other
great.
side of it.
That's
it's all
really
good.
great.
Yeah.
I can't believe it's all happening right now because it's really been a long time coming.
The funny thing is, as grand as this house is, this kitchen is actually feels very tight. It reminds me of the city.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ironically.
The kitchen is a galley kitchen that gets tight with just a few people. When we've hosted even gatherings or
Yeah.
you're having breakfast in the morning with the children,
Yeah.
you're right here, but it gets tight quickly.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And if we have Pizza Fridays with the cousins, everyone's crowded around a table, it just gets busy and it
Well,
gets
it's crowded
quickly.
now, and there's no one's eating.
Right,
it.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It does not even look like our place at all. I'm speechless. I have no words. This is amazing. I'm still just like in shock, like when I look this way.
But you remember how closed off this space was?
Unbelievable.
This is the moment we were waiting for.
That's amazing.
I'm just like
This
in.
is wild. So happy you're happy. I'm so happy you're happy.
This is just incredible. I mean, this is absolutely incredible.
This is a dream.
The whole house has changed by taking out that wall. The whole thing is now this open space where everybody is connected. The wicker accents, coastal.
Everything feels so coastal.
You get to see your beautiful yard
Yeah.
while you're standing
Look
here.
at all the windows.
Look at it.
Like, and we love the backyard so much. I love it so much.
This was a window before, and we
And
looked
now
out
we
and
can
we
like
thought,
see outside.
this is what we
Like,
wanted. We wanted this green, we wanted this,
We can see from a place that we actually enjoy being in.
yeah.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Hey,
How's it
come in.
going? Welcome to the time capsule.
Oh my gosh.
It really does feel like a time capsule.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know when it was built?
1928.
The character in this place,
This is what we loved about
Loved it.
The house has a soul. This home has a warmth to it, and you can feel it when you walk in. I mean, it's pretty open considering these older homes are really compartmentalized.
Usually, yeah, like sectioned
Exactly.
off.
What else about it when you guys walked in were you like, this is beautiful?
The fireplace was like the first thing that we loved.
I mean, this is
I'm
amazing.
so happy to hear that. Please don't
No.
touch this. Okay.
These are river rocks. So
Really?
somebody gathered these from somewhere probably
incredible.
local, I would imagine, and then hand put them all in when this place was built. This is beautiful. Just having walked in and first impression, it's just sunny and happy.
That was another one
I can
we liked.
hear the patter
It is.
of
Yes.
your 2 kids running down these stairs.
Like a raceway.
Absolutely.
When you guys came here, did you fall in love with the ceiling too?
Yes.
That
Yes.
was the selling point.
This is a great design detail.
Is there tile?
It's amazing.
And can we put it on the ceiling?
Right.
Yeah, and can we take a couple
We're
off for
hoping that
weeks?
this goes away.
What is really not working for you, just from a family standpoint?
Oh, we can take you to the kitchen.
Yeah, show us.
Yeah,
I want to see.
definitely. Good sized dining room, but it feels pretty boxed in.
Especially with this wall here. And that's the kitchen back
Yeah.
there. Can we
Yeah.
get a look at it? So this is original.
Yes.
This feels really compartmentalized and a little bit scary with 2 little kids.
The oven just like floating in no man's
An
land.
island. It's just
Yeah.
an island oven.
I love that my suit actually matches that dated backsplash of the
Kinda
oven.
does,
Yeah, it's
right?
heartbreaking for me.
This is incredible. Oh. This is unreal. I don't even have words right now.
This place is sick.
I know we took your sectional out. The thing about this room is it's also a pass-through to
Right.
go upstairs, go to
Yeah.
the kitchen. So this way you've got a little bit more flexibility with the traffic flow.
We want it to be welcoming. And when people walk through the door, I think they'll authentically have that feeling.
They will.
Like,
They'll feel welcomed.
yeah, this is stunning. 100 times better.
Oh,
Wow.
my God, this is awesome.
This is amazing.
Oh, look, that's the cabinet.
This is the
It
cabinet.
doesn't even look the same.
This looks beautiful. I didn't think this space
Yeah, it was
could have fit this much in there. This would be a house that we would have walked in, I would have fallen in love with,
And then-
we would have go, we can't afford this.
Would have walked right out the back door. Just kept moving.
Yeah.
Let's check out the kitchen.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is amazing.
This is gorgeous. Oh, my tree. My
Oh,
tree's
that's
still
awesome.
here.
Your art's everywhere in this house.
Oh man, this is more
Look
incredible.
at these lights. This is not the same place.
I don't even feel like it's real because this is mind-blowing. We pictured this to be like our home, but like
This is
Blown out
probably
of
the
the-
most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
We almost didn't buy this house for this floor.
Really?
No open layout in a Victorian.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we're on the landing.
So this is where I orient myself. I
Right.
was like, okay, landing, I can go door 1, door 2, door 3, 4, 5.
How does this work?
Yeah, okay, so
on
you
the
come up,
landing.
you land right here.
You land here. This is our bedroom.
This
right
is the
away.
boudoir.
We were trying to decide like what room was what, and we are like, fireplace has to be our room.
This is Javi's playroom. I think the biggest thing that's not working for us is the fact that it's connected to our bedroom.
We can't even talk because anytime he's asleep, we're creeping.
Yeah.
We're like creeping because we're so close to where he sleeps.
Well, where does he sleep?
Yeah,
Because this is his playroom,
Can you
right?
show us where he's
Okay.
sleeping?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you come back through.
Okay, let's go back through the
these-
bedroom.
The maze of doors.
Which is because, so your room's basically, oh.
Oh yeah, this is brutal.
Nothing
I didn't
says-
even notice this.
Nothing says privacy like a bifolding door.
I know. So
Okay.
this is his bedroom.
Well, you really don't have any privacy.
No.
Okay.
It was difficult for us to even imagine what that space should look like, what the flow should be.
This is the only bathroom to the house.
One bathroom.
Yeah.
It's
Can you only
intense.
imagine?
Yeah.
Maybe to get another bathroom on this floor.
Okay.
It's funny, it's big, but it's compact.
When Javi takes a bath, I mean, like, I'm squishing in here.
Right.
Okay.
But it's so awful. Like you're navigating around this single sink, which is taking a lot of space for one sink. Everything's jammed in. And I
Yeah.
feel like this was like a kind of a modern late 70s, 80s. We're gonna plop this in.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have a lot of storage either, right?
So this is where our clothes live.
Yeah.
Oh.
A lot of clothes.
We were so shocked when we were like in the bathroom, we're like, oh, what's in here? And
Yeah,
it's
because you think it's gonna be like this deep and like shampoo.
So your closet's in your only bathroom.
And it's a long way from your bedroom. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
wow.
Is this really our room?
This is where we live.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on, I need to catch my breath for a second. Wow, this is so beautiful. Really a little emotional.
I know, me too. I'm right there with
Why?
you.
I didn't even cry during our wedding, but I feel emotional right now. I can't believe that we're so privileged to have each other and now to have like this really beautiful, amazing space for our family.
You know, you guys made a big move to come out here. You fell in love with the house, and we took that love very seriously, and we hope you see yourselves reflected in this house now.
Thank you.
Your chairs.
I
They
love
fit.
these chairs.
Not only do
so
they fit,
well.
but look at your little nook.
Look at this.
So beautiful.
Right in
We
the
could
window.
like chill in our bedroom. And the way Nate and Jeremiah styled the pink chairs, they look like we bought them for this space.
What? This is.
Oh my gosh, there's so much shoe storage.
Who are we?
Seriously.
This is so bright. I think that's the first thing I noticed is how bright this is.
Isn't this
Oh my
gorgeous?
gosh.
Just a simple dressing room.
Yes. Now this whole section is adult.
Yeah.
The main bedroom and then your beautiful new dressing room.
We're not even halfway.
Yeah, we did this whole floor.
Now let's go see your bathroom.
Yeah.
What? It's so big.
This is shocking.
Oh my gosh, that bathroom is so big. When we first walked in, I was like, did they make this room bigger?
Look at this mirror. How beautiful is this?